Looking for the best blower brush, camera, but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best blower brush, camera, based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. The K&F CONCEPT 4-in-1 Camera Lens Cleaning Kit is a compact and versatile cleaning solution that's perfect for those who need a reliable tool on the go. Its lens cleaning pen is particularly useful, with a gentle cleaning brush and carbon head that can tackle even the toughest dirt and grime. The kit also includes a camera air blower and microfiber cleaning cloth, making it an excellent value for its price. Number 4. The Altura Photo Camera Cleaning Kit is a comprehensive cleaning solution that includes everything you need to keep your camera in top condition. Its alcohol-free lens cleaner spray is safe to use on even the most delicate lens surfaces, and the included microfiber cloths are gentle and effective. We've been impressed by the kit's ease of use and the thorough cleaning it provides. Number 3. The K&F CONCEPT 10-in-1 Camera Lens Cleaning Kit is a professional-grade cleaning solution that's suitable for a wide range of applications. Its advanced silicone air blower is particularly impressive, with a one-way air intake design that prevents cross-contamination. The kit also includes a cleaning pen, cleaning cloth, and 15 milliliters of cleaning liquid, making it an excellent value for those who need a reliable cleaning solution. Number 2. The 14-in-1 Camera Lens Cleaning Kit is a powerhouse of a cleaning solution. With an impressive array of tools, including an air blower, a 2-in-1 cleaning pen, and a beauty brush, this kit is designed to tackle even the toughest cleaning jobs. Its fine microfiber cloths are gentle on surfaces, leaving zero scratches or streaks. We found this kit to be an indispensable addition to any camera enthusiast's toolkit. Number 1. The Camkix Camera Lens Cleaning Kit is known for its impossibly clean results. This is thanks to its comprehensive tool set, which includes a durable air blower, a versatile 2-in-1 lens cleaning pen, and a precision cleaning brush. This kit is perfect for anyone who wants to keep their DSLR, compact camera, or action camera in pristine condition. In our experience, the Camkix kit delivers impressive results with minimal effort required. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for more details. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.